A massive blow. That is the biggest part of this ground. Would be all of, I reckon, at least 85, 90 metres to that very corner. Afridi had to wait. It was so slow. Look how long he had to wait. And then just swatted it. Oh, massive blow.
Oh, that's dangerous. Things aren't too good when that happens, and Afridi cops it, fortunately, in the shoulder. That's nasty. And give Jacob Oram the benefit of the doubt here. That slipped, and they make up very quickly.
Yeah, they do. Lucky it was only 128k, not 158. Oram trying to bowl the Yorker. Oh, that's nasty. Really nasty from a batting point of view. That height nearly cleaned him up. Straight away it was called no ball. But straight away Jacob Oram went up to Afridi and said, sorry, mate. You've just belted me for 6. Stay in your crease, son.
Twice. Well, that means if Jacob Oram has had an official warning. He does that again, he's out.
Might be a good thing.
Yeah. But it's also a no ball, so it's not a free hit no ball, but it is a no ball. That's gone over the offside. And that has it carried the whole way. Just one bounce for.
Well, that was the first 6 from Shahid Afridi. Got it up nice and high. Subtly took care of it. And that was the second one. That was even more impressive for me. And that was the 4 over cover. 1 bounce for 4. And this is the full toss from Oram. Oh, that nearly cleaned him up. Really did get close to cleaning him up.
Who would now ride off 280?
Oh, look at that strike rate. 227. 2 6s, 1 4. 25 from 11. Dynamic.
2 full from Southey. And has this gone for 6? I fear it has gone very close anyway. Yes, it has. Tim Southey, I know he's renowned for finding the right spot, but he's bowled a lot of very full delivery.
18 deliveries for the last 50. Pakistan on fire.
This time he's out. No, he's not. He's put down. Gee, Hamish Bennett, that was there. It was like picking an apple off the tree. Southey not fussed at all. Should have had a wicket. Went for 453, the partnership, from just 19 balls.
Well, another full toss. Southey trying to go full, and Hamish Bennett hasn't had a good day. It's too slow.
Well, getting Afridi now is probably the difference between chasing 280 and 290. That's down the ground, and that's 6. Don't even bother running for that. Flat, using the wind, using the conditions. So all of a sudden Afridi gets through to 43 from just 17 balls.
And to a quality player like Afridi, that is going to be hit for 6 every time.
Over the top this time, off point, and that's 6 more. A beauty into the grandstand. Oh, the versatility there. He goes to 49 off 18 balls.
Oh, what a shot this is. I'll tell you what. Bennett too short, too wide again. Afridi. All the time in the world to free those arms.
That's a 50 for Shahid Afridi off 19 balls, which equals the fastest ever in New Zealand cricket.
Wow, it's a captain's knock. Look at that. 19 deliveries. Look at that strike rate.
So 2 from the first ball. This time it's going to be 4. No one will stop that. That was absolutely middled. Small ground or not.
No, every time it's been a full toss, Pakistani batsmen have just laid into it. They just banged it. Look at that, the power. Been far too predictable from New Zealand bowlers at the death. Not an easy time. Better standing there. Oh, he's gone high. He's gone straight.
What a shot.
Wow, Mills has hardly missed here, Smithy, but he's been punished. Afridi's got all the shots. This one along the ground, straight.
Oh, superb batting. What a clinic it's been for all the youngsters here just to see raw power. You can get it outside 2020 cricket. You can get the pure striking in any form of the game, but this has been special. And he's got that one too over the top, and that should go to 4. It does. A big over again for Pakistan.
Can Pakistan get to 300, which just wasn't on the radar 15 overs ago?
Little edge, what a catch. That is absolutely sensational piece of cricket to get rid of the danger man. Great catch, McCullum. Hasn't been the best of days, but that will feel good, and for Bennett too.
Well, big wicket for New Zealand. And this time, Afridi just gets a thin inside edge. McCullum goes hard to his left, takes it in one hand. That's an outstanding catch. It's been a tough day for him. Great innings from the Pakistan skipper Afridi. Gone for 65. Pakistan 288 for 7.